Understanding Kitchen Knives by Leah Jackson. There are many different types of kitchen knives. Every type of knife has a specific use. The chef's knife. The most versatile knife to have in your kitchen. Length ranges from 6 to 14 inches. There is also utility knives, available in both a serrated and straight blade style. They are sometimes referred to as sandwich knives. Slicing knives have long, thin blades with either a round or pointed tip, used to cut thinner slices of roast fruits and vegetables. Paring knives, used for intricate cutting, peeling, mincing, and dicing. The blades are simple, sharp, and precise. There are also vegetable knives. A vegetable knife is primarily or even exclusively used to cut vegetables. Length ranges from 5 to 7 inches. The cleaver, also known as a butcher's knife. The cleaver is ideal for splitting meat from bone and also splitting larger and thicker vegetables such as melons and squash. 3.5-inch knives are used for chopping, slicing, and peeling small soft fruits. 5-inch knives are used for slicing boneless meat, slicing bagels, and buns. 7-inch knives are used for cutting prime meat such as those prepared by a butcher or vendor. 8.5-inch knives are designed for larger food preparation tasks. And 12-inch knives are ideal for people who are confident in handling knives. Now let's talk about the anatomy. There's the tip, the spine, bolster, tang, rivets, heel, and cutting edge. There are many different types of materials you can use for knives. Stainless steel knives. They are highly resistant to corrosion. It is a metal alloy generally made of at least 11% of the 5 materials shown. Carbon steel knives. They rust easily and don't stand up very well to acidic compounds. They are also among the sharpest blades we have today. Ceramic knives. Ceramic is very brittle and vulnerable to cracks if it's dropped. It also can make the blade extremely hard, which will maintain sharpness for long periods of time. Titanium nitride blades. They are rust resistant and you can easily tell them apart because of their blade color. It is applied as a thin coating to harden and protect the knife. Plastic knives are used mainly as disposable knives. It is also difficult to sharpen the edges of plastic blades. Damascus steel knives are pattern welded steel. It is more of a process than a type of metal. You take a few different kinds of steel and layer them all together. Look at the cool patterns on the knife. Now let's talk about the heat treatment. The first step of heat treating knives is forging. This is when you shape the metal by heating it in a fire or furnace and then beating it or hammering it. The blade is then ready for grinding in order to make it a long-lasting and ultimately a good quality knife. The shape can be incredibly basic or very intricate, but the main goal is to create a product that is both effective and decorative. The knife is then finished by smoothing it and polishing it with blade finish. Now you will see how good the knife actually cuts into the onion. Sharpness and toughness. The most critical factors that affect the blade's performance. Hardness is a measure of a steel's resistance to deformation. Toughness is the relative resistance of material to breakage, chipping, or cracking under impact or stress. And lastly, wear and corrosion resistance. In conclusion, the different qualities of materials and knives will make a difference to the production of your food. Having a range of knives can open your culinary world as you explore different varieties of foods. Thanks for watching.